If you are looking for the best App Store alternative to download apps and games that aren't available on the App Store, I got you. In today's video, I will show you the best alternative to App Store, which contains thousands of apps, games, tweaks, and tweaked apps. With this new amazing store, you will have the ability to install IPA files without encountering intrusive ads, upload and sign any IPA file, and more. I'm gonna show you the best App Store alternative, which is SignBox. SignBox is a third-party app store for iOS that allows you to install thousands of apps, games, tweaks, emulators, jailbreak apps, and more for free. What's more, SignBox also allows you to upload any IPA file and sign it so you can install it in your device. As you can see, you can install all these apps for free, and the apps and games are updated daily, so you always have the latest versions of these apps. As you see, SignBox contains thousands of apps, games, tweaked apps, and more. The paid certificate by SignBox provides a seamless certificate issuance process for your device. The entire process is automated, saving users from any manual intervention. Once the certificate is generated for your device, you can effortlessly install apps without any hassle. SignBox is a third-party app store for iOS users, provides the best and the most popular iOS apps and games. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to get and install SignBox. First, open Safari and go to the official website of SignBox, and as you see, this is it. SignBox, as I said, allows you to access all kinds of apps and games. The IPA library includes apps like iPoGo, Facebook++, emulators, jailbreak apps, tweaked apps and games, and so much more. SignBox also allows you to install duplicated apps, so this means you can have 2-3 versions of the same app. And the best of all, if you have an IPA file, you can sign it with SignBox and then install it with one tap. Now, how to install SignBox? SignBox is a website only, so this means it doesn't have an app, but you can add it to home screen for easy access. There are many apps and games that you can download and install. This store allows you to easily install third-party apps and unofficial content without having to jailbreak your iOS device. The interface is simple and you can change between popular or paid app section. You can install many apps with one tap. Now I'm gonna show you how to install an app with SignBox. Okay, I will try to install Subway Surface. I will download this one, open it. Okay, scroll down here and hit sign. It's now processing. Wait a few seconds for the game to be signed for your device. Once the game is signed, you will receive an email about the signing process. As you see, the game is now signed and I can now download or install it. You have two options to download it. First, you can download it as IPA file from this email just by pressing this link, or download and install it directly from the website. I will install it directly from the website. If you want to download it from SignBox, go ahead and go back to SignBox, go to download option. Here you can find the signed apps. Now just press download. Okay, it will ask you to install the game. Hit install. Now go to the home screen and wait a few seconds. The download will start, and as you see, the game is now downloading. Just wait for it to finish downloading and installing the game. And as you see, the game has been installed. It's that easy. I will try to open it. And boom, it works good. As you see, the game is working perfectly without any problem. Okay, now I will show you how to download it as IPA file. To download it as API file, go ahead and open the email you received. Here you should find a link to download it as IPA file. Press it, hit download button, press here, go to downloads, and as you see, it's now downloading as IPA file. You can save it anywhere so you can install it anytime you want. I will download another game, so I will download Minecraft. Just do the same steps. Press sign to sign the game for your device. Wait a few seconds, you should receive an email. Once the game is signed, go to download option, then you can download it directly from SignBox. Now I will show you the best feature of SignBox, which is Sign IPA files. Okay, here go to upload option. Now here you can upload any IPA file and sign it. I will show you how to do that. First, press here to upload a file. Here choose from where you want to upload the file. I will choose from Files app. Here just choose the IPA file you want to sign. I will choose this one. Now wait for the file to be uploaded. It may take a few minutes depending on the file size. Once the file is uploaded, just press sign, or you can use custom installation. With custom installation, you can change the app name, app version, and change the app icon. You can here choose if you want to install it as duplicated app, enable push notifications, and enable iTunes file sharing. I will install it as normal app, so go ahead and press sign. Okay, success. Now to install it, go to download option, scroll down and you should find the app. This is it. It's now pending. This means the sign process will start. Just refresh the website to see if it's signed or not. And as you see, it's now signed. To install it, press download. It will ask you to install. Press install. I will install Minecraft 2. Install. Go to the home screen. And as you see, it's now downloading. And boom, the app has been installed. I will open it, and as you can see, it works. And it's just like that, pretty simple and easy. So guys, that's it. SignBox provides the best and the most popular iOS tweaked apps and games. With SignBox, you will have the ability to install any IPA file and bypass App Store restrictions. The best thing about SignBox is that it allows you to upload and sign any IPA file you want. SignBox provide priority support, access to exclusive apps and games with no ads, and more. SignBox provide apps like plus apps, emulators, tools, AI apps, jailbreak apps, and so much more. Features of SignBox is first, download apps and games for free, supports Wi-Fi and mobile data, no root or jailbreak required, regular updates, and fast app revoke fixes. So in my opinion, I would recommend you to give it a try. You will find the link in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.